Welcome once again, Richard's Adventures. It's a walk through video today. I'm not keeping to the main path because it's quite busy, so I'm going to divert off into the forest. Yeah, little walk through exercise video. It's a nice route though, I'll give you that. It's a beautiful, really beautiful route. There'll be a few of these walk through videos. Oh, here we are. I've never been this way before, so this will be a first to see where it ends up. Got to watch out for muddy paths because it has been raining. But it's not so bad considering how his leaves are falling on the floor. It's nice, isn't it? If this is a loop on itself, I'll come back this way. Oh wow. I don't know where this leads to be honest, but your guess is as good as mine. I've never been this way before. I've been that way, going down there towards Chigwell Row, but I don't know what this leads to. But we'll see where it ends up, hey? Well, it's a footpath for a start, and for a start I'm getting exercise. This is our autumn season here in the UK. To be honest, it's not cold. I'm not freezing, I'm not shaking. It's a bit warm. Beautiful view of the sunlight just there, reflecting through the trees. Let's get a good spot to show you that, because you can see the sun's where it glazes on there. Look. Let's get that big shiny one at the top. Get all sorts of wildlife in here, but I don't know where it leads to. So that's nice, birds in the tree. Let's get the sunlight. It's going to be a bit glary for your eyes, so bear with, I'm pointing towards the sun, but the views are nice. Okay, let's carry on and see where this path ends up. I never actually done this route. It's lovely here. Oh, you feel the freshness of the air a little bit. It's not 100% cold, but you can feel the freshness for the forest. Well, it curves on itself. It'd be funny if you dart first to the main path, wouldn't it? Because the main path's only over there. This is a nicer route. I can't actually go to the edge because the uphill was hazards there, or fields of some sort. This is a nicer way through. I can see my shadow. This is sort of videos if you're vlogging, well, if you're watching my videos and you want to do an exercise bike or rowing machine in front of the screen, or yeah, basically if you like doing exercise and you want something so you can walk in front of the screen, or you just walk away watching, basically. I'll pause the video because there's people coming through. Let's mind the view for a minute. I think, are they coming this way or are they going the other way? I want them to go the other opposite way to me. Right, we're okay. Yeah, the views are so nice though. I see houses at the end here. It's not very big. This forest is not so big. Oh look, a rooted up tree. This one's quite a small forest. It's not big because you've got houses surrounding on the outside. You can see there. It's not that big, but it's a nice little walk through, just to have a watch. I'm going around to Chigwell Row way and then I'll walk from main road. Do another video for that. I just want to show you around the forest, really. What it's like before we come out. We can't go all the way through. That's nice in here. I'm gonna catch some wildlife. That's ivy growing on the floor, I noticed. Oh, there's a squirrel. How lucky. A grey one though. Let's walk through here. There he goes. On the branch. Where's the lake? Just over there, that green stuff. That is actually the lake. If you don't carry on walking, you'll fall in it. Oh, we come to the end. Back onto the main path. That was a nice bit of walk actually. Not much to see. I think we come out, there's a field. And then that's it, and then a main road. Might cut to that. But I do enjoy this route. I say that I could have took this path from through. Something's overgrown though. Where it ends up I don't know. But we keep trekking. We should keep trekking. Nice country path. How's this path 37? So there's quite a few of these paths to take. I'll be checking online to see what ones there are. Oh, mud. Come out and there's mud. There. Typical. Might be ending it here. And then we're going to catch you on the outside of the field, so over the other there somewhere. On the other side of the bushes actually. Let's see what this leads to. We're going to cut across to see if we can come out. If not, we've got to go all the way around. But we're coming to the main road now. When the forest meets the main road. We're coming back to Chigwell Row, Granger area. That part, we're becoming that far back. But this is a nice walk through. It's quite warm actually, I'm quite sweating. Sheesh, I'm quite warm. Oh. That was a short forest walk, wasn't it? I'll be doing quite a few of them. Oh, I don't know, there's deep water over there. On the opposite side to that. Yeah, there's quite a few of these walks to do, apparently. I'm doing different ones. Go on one location, do another walk, go another location, do another walk. You know? There's loads. Loads of walks. Okay, let's make our way back to Granger. This is Chigwell Row at the moment we're in. And this road leads right round to Granger. It's a nice little journey. But I've got to watch the traffic because it curves on a bend. A sharp bend. Oh, that's quite warm. I need to take my hat off. Whew. Temperature. Oh, I can't believe I'm warm. Nice buildings here. I just pause it, look. To show you some nice buildings here. Yeah. All the leaves around here, eh? Best way is to watch yourself with the traffic. Well, I've got a reflected bag, so hopefully the cars and vehicles see me. It's a nice route. I'm just worried about up top there. I've been coming through the opposite way to this, and it felt safe because I could see the traffic coming towards me. But where it's coming the opposite direction, you can't see the traffic coming towards you. There's a bit of a worry. because you get a whoosh noise come past you. It's a nice route though. Must be a bit disgusting, isn't it? People putting rubbish down there. But yeah, it's a good route. Not many people come this way because it's quite dangerous. Because they have signs up for wildlife as well. Beware of wildlife along here. Because they can pop out. But we're going to try different routes anyway. Try and do some routes that I've never done. So it adds to the challenge. Yeah. There's only so much you can do. This is classed as my exercise anyway. So, I like these little trees. I love these trees. Lovely oak trees. The only times you get to see them really nice is countryside. Because you appreciate how big they are. And how lovely they are. It's just a nice walk. Going along here. There's like building houses and stuff here. You know what I mean? There's a few people on our exercise route. Oh, I wear a t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt and a hoodie, and I'm quite warm. I normally do this for my run routes, but I don't normally do this bit. Done it a few times. It's not good with the traffic. I like to run around in the forest because I feel safe. Right, the bend's coming up. As you can see, the bend's coming up. I had to watch myself. It's the big lorries that come past and stuff I have to worry about. Not necessarily the cars. I like the houses here. Oh, hope you're enjoying this little tour. I can't really travel far actually, guys, because this lockdown's a bit crazy. But we'll be taking you on random little walkthrough journeys. But there is a steam railway. I've got it cancelled this month, but I got it rescheduled for the 20th. Well, a few days before Christmas, you're going to get to steam railway. And apparently, I've got news. The steam locomotive has arrived at the railway, and what I will do, I'll try and find some clips and videos, put it together to give you a preview of what's to come, so you know what to expect. And we've got to cross the road here, looks of it. Oh look, we come across some horses. Here look, horses. Just going to zoom in for you. How nice can you get? Yeah. Lovely. Nice to see some horses. Along here. I'll pause it for a minute. Let's pause it, let the lady go past. She's on her phone, texting. It was a bit crazy. Yeah. Oh. You're going towards well, Grange Hill, not far anyway. I'll be enjoying it anyway. There's quite a few people on a little route going along the way. I just want to show you the views from here. Nice views of the fields. And sun. I'm doing this because people are walking past. We can continue now. And there's a lot of people walking, that's why. There's a lot of people walking on lockdown. Interesting. This route's normally quiet, so not a lot of people are doing a little walk on the tour. Oh, this is where the road ends up. I might next time divert my route, see where other roads lead to. Oh, that's a bit fast. Fancy car trying to rev up. This curiosity. Go further on curiosity where things end up. Like this road especially. Where does it end up? Vicarage Lane it's called. I'm just curious where things go. You know when you go walking along, where's that road lead to? Where does that go to? Well, we're going to do that on lockdown. Gives us a chance to explore. I'll be checking on Google Maps to see if the roads are safe. Oh, there's a bit of a farm here. It's supposed to be horses apparently. They got the hay. Hey, what's the matter? It says they don't feed the horses. It's a nice field though, lovely. Right, a bit muddy here, got to be careful. Bit muddy. Yeah. I have to restart the camera again because I go so many minutes, just under 10 minutes, then I'll record again. Oh, I smell horses. You can smell them. Now I'm quite close to the road now, as you know the pavement's quite narrow. It's a nice route. I'm not complaining. It's a lovely route. I'm doing it while it's daylight, I'm not doing it while it's dark, because that'd be more dangerous. Nice and quiet around here, listen to this. No cars, perfect. There's a lot of people doing walks around here. Oh, I see bunny rabbits here. I actually see a bunny rabbit in someone's garden. I hate when cars come back with music come past. This was just a boom boom, so that wasn't bad. Look at the houses around here, look at that. Nice, aren't they? Very old fashioned. There's a lot of forest around here, but then most of it's private land and farms. That's why you can't go to them. This is a lovely route. Any requests? If you're local, you know where I travel. Any requests on routes? Oh. I might do the Loughton area, the Epping area. I did quite a lot of the Fed Up Waters last time. I just want to do something somewhere different, just like, you know, just go out, plump off somewhere and go for a walk. See where we end up actually. I'd like to do a walkthrough like I'm doing now, but I don't want it to be cut out. I understand people have got to go past us, we've got to cut the camera. Cars with a blaring music. It happens, eh? It happens. the moment. I think this video is about coming up to 20 minutes. This will be a three-parter. I'm sure you don't mind that, guys. So extra to enjoy. This is my editing app. I can't do no more than 25 minutes. Because about 30 minutes, or just over 30 minutes, it starts to crash. Has issues, apparently. This is not. I'm finishing the route of Grangeel, just to show you the whole route between Collier Row, or the Low, Collier Row, and Grangeel. That route I wanted to show you. Oh, a bit of an headache. Means I need a drink. I might cut the camera down there. There's a few people coming up. I'm going to pit stop for a drink, then carry on recording. Yeah, I might do that at the turning up there. There's a few people walking about up down there. This is a nice area. I know I passed a sweet shop and on the way. Be careful, I've got dinner later. There'll be a quiz coming up on Sunday, guys, if you're interested. I'll stop recording again, people come towards us. Now I can record again. There we are, this is the bit where you get the 362, I think it is, and the 462, they come here. Bus routes. This is the bus I got through actually, to get off the point I wanted to get to. There's a big field all over here. At the top, you got Grangeel Station. That's where we're off to right now. The views are quite nice around here actually. I was going to cross this road safely first. That's it, we'll cross the station nice and safe. Could do the next road yet. This is Mountford Way. So you know where I am. Anybody like just local know where I am. This is just a lovely little route. I like your little suggestions in the comments, places you ask me to go. Requests I get offline as well. I get from friends, family, I get requests. Yeah, there's quite a few things I still got to do in lockdown. Yes, there's a challenge coming up as well. Got to have the hottest and sourest sweet challenge. Guys, can be hard. This is quite a nice area. I like the little gates people have to their gardens. Kind of cute. That's a little house around there, isn't it? Sure, it's near the main road though. We're going to finish up with Grangeel itself, as in the station, not the little village. The station, if we can. I've been this way many times on my adventures, but I plan to get... Oh yes, there's the railway line by the way. Get different routes, as I was saying. There'll be Christmas lights ones coming up as well. That's going to happen. I know a good place to see that. Just hope they make the effort. I can't wait till December though for that. There we are, we're at Grangeel Station, ending our tour. Thanks for enjoying the lovely tour. Until next time, guys.